Serendipity, an unplanned fortunate discovery. Often we come across situations of serendipity where a new finding is never deemed to be the purpose of one's life. However, with passion and dedication towards the interest of one, a beautiful discovery is curated. I am Rashi Chada, bringing to you some wonderful moments of serendipity that not only inspire but also motivate one to find their purpose. Have you ever heard about plant consultancy? Did you know that there are professionals who not only advise you about how to take care of your plants, but also help one set up a plant family? This is new, right? Well, it was for me too. This is a profession which is fairly new in our society, and I'm all in to know about it. I'd like to welcome Shamta Yadav, an experienced plant consultant and an autocross driver. She began her career in this field very recently. I am so happy to have you here with me today.
Yeah, hi Rashi. Feeling very happy, privileged, and honored, and really excited to share my experience and knowledge with you. And I really appreciate your effort to create awareness among the people about women entrepreneur. Thank you so much for inviting me.
You're welcome. Since the concept of plant consulting is fairly new, could you tell us a bit about hota kya hai isme, etc.?
So, I would say, firstly, there is no certified plant consultancy in India, but in overseas, people does practice it professionally. India need to create infrastructure or institute for the certificate course, but it's fairly new in India. Basically, the plant consultancy is very diverse area, can be used in home, offices, multi-story buildings, setting up home garden, balcony, or the terrace garden, etc. Despite that, design should be such which complement the surroundings. This is all about the plant consultancy.
Wow, that's really interesting. And how did you develop an interest for this? How did you know that this is what you want to do?
This is very close to my heart from my childhood, and my mother was plant lover, but over the period of time when kids grown up and I started getting time, then I thought this is the time I should start this profession. Another reason to start curated care, I want to promote sustainability. It is very evident that during the pandemic we all learned how sustainability and plants are important in our life.
So, when you began curated care, what are some of the challenges that you faced in the initial stages?
So, like any other business, this business also have challenges. But the main challenge in this field is unrealistic demand of customer, or you can say unrealistic approach of customer. They think that the plant is an object or this is a showpiece. So what they do keep it indoor and gradually plant die. But I would say that like you and me, the plant is also have life.
Definitely.
And it's very important the way we take care of our loved one and love them. So that plant also require that love and care. So I want to add here, basically plant have the excellent quality of sacrifice. Plants are giver. They give life to us. They give oxygen to us. And उपनिषद में भी कहा गया है कि अयम निजः परवेत्ति गणना लघु चेत शाम उदार चरिता नाम वसुधैव कुटुम्बकम. यानी कि ये मेरा है और ये पराया है. ऐसी सोच छोटे लोगों की होती है, छोटी प्रवृत्ति के लोगों की होती है. जो उदार चरित्र वाले होते हैं उनके लिए सारा संसार कुटुंब के समान यानी कि एक परिवार के समान होता है. तो सेम थिंग एप्लीकेबल फॉर द प्लांट एज वेल. जो प्लांट हमें जीवन वायु यानी कि ऑक्सीजन देता है, उसके लिए पूरा संसार एक कुटुंब के समान होता है. वो कभी नहीं सोचता कि इसको नहीं देना है ऑक्सीजन या इसको नहीं देना है. सो माय रिक्वेस्ट टू एवरीवन कि प्लीज रिस्पेक्ट प्लांट, और प्लांट आर मेंट टू बी आउटसाइड. तो मैं इंडोर प्लांट, बहुत सारे जो मैंने अनरियलिस्टिक अप्रोच के बारे में बात की कस्टमर्स की, बहुत सारे लोग सोचते हैं कि अच्छा दे आस्किंग फॉर द इंडोर प्लांट, बट जनरली व्हेन दे आस्क फॉर द इंडोर प्लांट तो मैं कहती हूँ कि आई एम कॉलिंग टू यू. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, मैं उनको बहुत देर तक काउंसिल करती हूँ कि नहीं, इंडोर प्लांट्स आर मेंट टू बी आउटसाइड. आप घर में प्लांट रखेंगे तो वो ग्रेजुअली मर जाएगा क्योंकि वो अपने नेचुरल एनवायरनमेंट में नहीं है.
एग्जैक्टली. एवरीवन हैज देयर हैबिटेट.
ये हमने अपने कन्वीनियंस के लिए इंडोर प्लांट बना लिए हैं कि अच्छा इंडोर रख लो या अपनी कन्वीनियंस है. लेकिन मैं कहती हूँ दिस इज वेरी गुड आइडिया ऑल्सो कि हम कुछ दिन अपने घर में रखकर उनको मतलब उनकी सुंदरता का भी फायदा उठा सकते हैं। लेकिन फिर भी मैं सबसे रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि जस्ट कीप इट 2-3 days इनसाइड एंड रेस्ट ऑफ द डे आउटसाइड, बिकॉज वो ग्रेजुअली मर जाएंगे एंड दे ऑल्सो नीड देयर नेचुरल एनवायरमेंट, दे नीड लव एंड देयर नीड care like हम अपने पेट की करते हैं, तो plants is also like our babies.
Yeah, and I mean, it's not a small thing when people say you should talk to your plants because, like you said, they have life. So, treat them as like a human being as possible.
And believe me, when I spend time with my plants, it gives me so much happiness. I can't tell you. Matlab, it's a one of the reason of my happiness also. So I will suggest everyone to keep plants in their home.
Okay, so when we talk about these challenges that you faced, आपका motivation क्या था to keep going? Just make a name out of this business and promote the message of sustainability. What was your motivation?
Despite of all challenges, Rashi, I just want to do it because first of all, it's a sheer passion. And the another thing is plants not only beautify your home, but they also nurture your body and soul. And the saying is, if the passion become profession, so the success is bound to come.
Yeah, and why not do something challenging while doing something that you're enjoying? It's like challenge worthy. When it comes to social media, which is a fairly new concept in our society, how do you think that apps like Facebook and Instagram have like helped you in the development of curated care, like on a individual basis? How do they contribute to your business?
Since this is a time of technology, so you must use it. But I would suggest everyone of us should leverage the technology to enhance your business or efficiency of your business. So social media like FB, WhatsApp, or Insta become very strong conduit or medium. And during this pandemic, very evident that sitting at home and you're doing business without wasting your time, your money, your energy, and spending money on ads, and one can earn sitting at home.
Exactly. So with such less investment, like no investment for that matter. That's the beauty of it.
Because I have seen many people grow using this social media.
Yeah, true.
They are very, very strong medium. And this is the, blessing for the startups.
Exactly. That's where they gained recognition, immense amount of recognition.
Yes. Most of the new brands, they only advertise on social media. Apart from this misuse of social media, this is the very beneficial for the business.
It's really nice to see how just one little thing can just spike in interest for any topic.
Yeah, true.
Okay, moving on. So we also know that you're a rally and autocross driver. Tell us a bit about that. How exactly did you enter this field?
Like I'm very passionate about plants. I'm also passionate about the speed and the cars. So, and I started very late in my life, as I told you, that when the kids grown up and I start getting time for myself. So started very late, but the outcome was wonderful, and I stood as a first runner up in national autocross championship in my category.
Oh wow,
so
that's amazing.
yeah. And I have done many rallies and autocross and doing well, and I want to do it more. So let's see, hope for the best. Another thing I want to add is that after 40 or after 30, most of the time Indian ladies think that the life is over now. It looks like for me, I am living another life. I am enjoying the both of my passion thoroughly, and I am really thankful to God and feeling blessed that I have something to do. But it's not like that ki only the kids and only home. So apart from my kids and my family, and now I am doing this, so I am really feeling blessed. But apart from all these things, I just want to add, because I always says to everyone or every woman that car is your wing. So I advise every woman to learn driving, because if you learn driving, you are not dependent to anybody. You become independent. Every lady, every woman, every girl should learn driving, and this is another tool for the woman empowerment.
Yeah, I mean, we don't see it, but these little things are actually, in fact, things that can encourage women to be their own person.
Yeah.
Wow, that's amazing. You have had an extremely inspiring story, and I am so glad to have you here with us. Now that
Yeah.
we've come to the end of this dialogue, what is the one song that you think describes your journey in this field?
What you are saying, this is my journey, but I think that this is my beginning. So I have just started and I just want to take it forward and achieve my goals. You're asking about the song. So I
Yeah.
like song बेसब्रियां from film धोनी. ये गाना मुझे इतना ज्यादा पसंद है बिकॉज इसमें जो पैशन है, आई मीन ये लगता है जैसे कि जो कुछ पाने का चाहत या पैशन और टारगेट को अचीव करने की जो एंजाइटी है, जो बेसब्री है, ऐसा लगता है कि ये गाना मेरे लिए बना है. आई रियली लाइक दिस सॉन्ग एंड आई keep motivating myself for listening again and again this song.
Amazing. Thank you so much for doing this with me. And it was so great to know your fabulous journey so far. And I wish you luck for the coming years too. I hope you get immense amount of success for curated care and the message spreads out.
Thank you so much, Rashi, and for inviting me and listening me. Thank you so much. God bless you.
रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे. रास्ते भागे पाँव से आगे, जिंदगी से चल कुछ और भी मांगे. क्यों सोचना है जाना कहाँ, जाए वही बेसब्रियां 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 बेसब्रियां